What? What is it, Vic?
Hurry, hurry.
What is it? Oh my God! What is it, honey? Victoria, what is it, baby? Let me see. What is it? A stroller? And there's a baby in there too? Oh, a stroller? Oh man. Next present. Another one?
Well, honey, that's not a baby. That's a stroller. No, turn it over, honey, so you can see the first part. Turn it over. Let's see. Oh, no, there's a baby. And a stroller.
Perfect. Look at. Where are these right now?
Lacey, you still have money that Grandpa gave you, remember?
You got some. Damn, nigga, you got hella shit.
Oh, it's a
You got more than me, man. What the fuck?
We can see your food, Mama.
He's very special.
I forgot my
They
palette.
have all the stuff for your baby. Mommy has your baby brother.
All right.